Hi everyone, I'm Connie Roberts and I'm in Chef Nicola's special restaurant, Momentos, and I'm excited to see what are we doing today.
Today we're gonna do this new ravioli, with ricotta. That you're gonna do the filling, so I'm gonna let you do the filling, and then we're gonna do the, the dough for the pasta, and we'll go from there, and we see what type of concoctions come out. So
I'm gonna
what are you
start
doing
with
there
this.
now? How are you gonna do my filling now?
I'm going to scrape these nutmegs.
Nutmeg goes very well, though. That's a great idea. So I put 2 egg yolks on this, which is nice. I prefer to have a little saffron on this. That, that color inside, I don't know. But also at the same time, the saffron give them a flavor, you know what I mean?
Wow, that came together really nice.
Came very beautiful. Very beautiful, look at this.
Look at that.
You want? Put them this way, you're good to go. So now, let's go there. We're gonna go and we're gonna start with a new salad in the season.
Okay, so we're making a salad.
We're making a salad, yes.
What kind of lettuce is this?
Well, you should know. This is introduced in many, this called butter letter, Boston letters, Bibb letters. This letter doesn't like knife.
Right.
Only with hands. It oxidizes quickly and turns bitter. So only with the hands. So we have over here ginger. Obviously, clean the ginger. I take this, and again I go to the same thing. I go with the ginger. Now I have the lemon zest. The same thing. You have to make sure that you see how I go to the edge of the white.
Yes.
You don't have to scrub the white because it brings a bitterness. It destabilizes the flavor. You need the essence on that. Balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
Obviously, extra virgin olive oil.
That's the secret recipe ingredient.
The juice comes so easy out, like unbelievable.
Oh yeah.
The whole
Wow.
thing. Now, to avoid a lot of fibers or the things, always in the kitchen you're supposed to have a little strainer.
Okay.
Now you have a beautiful ginger lemon balsamic vinaigrette. We're gonna build the salad over here now. I put some pecans, strawberries on that. Beautiful cheese on
and
that.
what's that cheese called?
Soft sheep milk cheese, Cambozola, which is an Italian cheese. Obviously, I put a dot on that. Voila.
Bon appetit. I love all the flavors.
Yeah.
I can taste them all.
So, Connie, we're gonna do now the pasta.
Okay.
Yeah. So, what I do, I stretch it a little bit to give a flatness to put them inside over here. Now I have the right whiteness, and now I'm working it. You see?
Yes.
That's perfect. No.
Nice.
We go over there now.
Okay.
So now we're gonna put this together.
Okay.
How? I don't know. We're gonna improvise it. We're gonna improvise it. But anyway, I want to start with a little bit of a butter over here.
Okay.
Our garden outside, we have this sage.
Oh, nice.
Obviously over here, I have a little bit of the
Oh, okay.
egg washed, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. The egg white. So it's kind of
So
like
over here, we're gonna put this. I will take this and I put them over here
Oh, okay.
like this. And I will take it around this way.
Oh, cool.
And I have one. How about that?
Nice.
So how about we cooking it now?
Okay.
Let's see what's gonna happen now. So, I think they are ready.
Okay.
Let's see first. We accomplish something. They're not opening. Look at how beautiful
Yeah.
they stay. I want to put a little bit of a broth. I want to take this beauty. So light. You gotta try this.
Okay.
So light. Tell me it's light or what?
Oh my God.
It's amazing.
Just a few ingredients,
Few ingredient.
But-
You don't need to be
but fresh ingredients.
fresh ingredient. Here we are. Momentos restaurant in Stroudsburg. We play with the food, we enjoy, we deliver the best we can. At the end of the day, Momentos waiting, welcoming, and we can show and teach. And from now on, Momentos, you can always call, we can give a private lesson to the cooking. Book it at Momentos. Nicola and Connie can teach you how to make something great. Welcome to Momentos, a new adventure. The rest is history.